In the latest video we covered installing IntelliJ. In this video we're going to cover creating a Git account and installing GitHub Desktop. First of all, open your web browser. Then go to git.opendesert.online. Click register in the top right corner. Create a user account by first filling in your username, email address, password, and CAPTCHA. Click register account and your account will be successfully created. Go to Explore to view all the different ODO repositories. Go to Launcher to see the launcher, for example. On the left hand side, you can switch between branches. Now let's install GitHub Desktop. Go to desktop.github.com and click on the big purple download button. Click Keep and wait for the download to finish. Then open the installer. And it has opened. Click Skip this step. Pin your username and email address. Click Continue. And then Finish. Now click Clone a repository from a URL and go back to the OpenDesert Online Git. Explore the desired Git and copy the URL. Ensure that you've got the URL that ends with .git. Then go back to GitHub Desktop, paste the URL and click Clone. They are now going to ask for your OpenDesert Online Git credentials. Fill in the credentials you just created. Because I've already got my own Git account, I'm going to use those credentials. Click Save and Retry. And in case you fill in the wrong password, it's just going to pop up again. So now it's cloning the repository. As you can see, it's cloning it to my documents, then the folder GitHub, and then a folder with the name of the repository. This cloning process can take a couple of minutes, or even more, depending on your internet speed, the speed of the Git server, the speed of your hard drive, and other variables. And then after a little wait, the installation is successfully completed. It's still taking some time to load. Let's wait for the history to load in, and there it is. If you want to view the latest changes, click on Fetch Origin. is now fetching the latest data and the latest details from the Git server. If you want to start developing, simply create a new branch or switch to the development branch and start collaborating with others. Everything you do in Git, or everything you do on your computer, will automatically appear in Git. This is the folder Git just created. Now I'm going to go into the Git folder and change the README file. I'm simply going to open it with Notepad. And then I'm going to add another enter. Save the file. That extra enter now appears as a change into the Git console. I can now commit that change by giving it a name and description, or using the predefined one, and clicking commit to master. In case you're in a different branch, you'll get the commit to branch name button. Not everyone has the right to commit to the master. Only the lead developers and contribute and coordinators have that right. Committing to the master is a little bit dangerous because when committing to the master, you're actually committing to the branch that we're actually making releases out of. So that's why we created different branches for development purposes. So if you want to develop or commit for the development purposes, please commit to the development branch. But since I've got permission, and since this is just a tutorial, I'm going to push to the master branch. So simply commit to master. And your change will be gone, and it will be pushed into the history. Let's wait for that to load up. My PC is a bit slow. Okay, there it is, update readme.md. So, now I've locally committed this change. That means that it's still only on my PC and it doesn't show up yet on the online Git console, and other people can't see it yet either. To make sure other people can see my changes, I need to push it to the origin, so push it to the Git server. So I click this button, and it is automatically starting to push to the Git server. This takes a little while. And now it's done. If I F5 this page or refresh it, you will now see that I just updated the readme.md file 1 minute ago. So that's all there is to it. That's basic Git usage. So I hope this tutorial was a little bit informative for you, and I hope this clears some things up. And if you have got any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope that you will start contributing within the Git now. I will certainly continue using Git because I love the system, and I hope you do too. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck.